Today, I'm showing you how to send high quality videos on WhatsApp without compression on your Android device. Let's get started. The problem: when you send videos normally through WhatsApp, they get compressed and lose quality, appearing blurry. The solution: send videos as documents instead to preserve full quality. Step 1: Open Gallery. Open your Gallery or Photos app on your Android phone. Step 2: Select video. Find and open the high-quality video you want to send. Step 3: Tap Share. Tap the share icon, usually three dots or share symbol. Step 4: Save to Files or Save to Downloads. From the sharing menu, select Save to Files or Save to Downloads. Step 5: Choose location. Select the Downloads folder or any accessible folder in your Files app. Tap Save. Step 6: Open WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Step 7: Select Chat. Open the chat where you want to send the high-quality video. Step 8: Tap Attachment. Tap the paperclip or plus icon to attach files. Step 9: Select Document. Instead of selecting Gallery or Video, tap Document. Step 10: Browse Files. Navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever you saved the video. Step 11: Select Video File. Find your video file and tap on it to select it. It appears as a document with the video file name. Step 12: Send Video. Tap the Send button. The video sends as a document file without WhatsApp compressing it. And that's it. You've successfully sent a high-quality video on WhatsApp without compression on your Android device.